Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be solving an extension of the classic two-sum problem, right? Two-sum 2, where the input array is sorted. So given a one-indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers index 1 and numbers index 2, where 1 is less than or equal to index 1, which is less than index 2, which is less than or equal to numbers.length, okay? So return the indices of the two numbers, index 1 and index 2, each incremented by 1 as an integer array, index 1, index 2 of length 2. All right, so there's going to be one solution, and we can't use the same element twice. All right, so essentially, we're going to return the indices where they sum up to the target, and we just add 1 to each index. So notice how at index 0 and 2, there are values 2 and 7 that add up to 9, right? And these are, like I mentioned, at index 0 and 1, but they want us to return it plus 1 base, okay? So very simple. And another example here, we have at indices 0 and 2, which updates to 1 and 3, right? Gives us this target here. And over here, notice how index 1 and 2 give us this target here, because -1 plus 0 is still -1. And the caveat here that really helps us is numbers is in sorted, non-decreasing order, right? So with that being said, we can use an approach where we're essentially having a left pointer and a right pointer. And if we navigate to the drawing board here, I'll explain it a little bit more in depth. So what I mean by that is, if we have a left pointer here that always starts at the beginning of the array, and we have a right pointer that always starts at the end of the array, so n minus 1, right? If we sum up these values 2 and 15, we get 17. So we overshoot the target. And since this is sorted, well, we just simply decrement this one here, right? Okay. And now we have 2 and 11 is 13, which is still greater than the target. So we decrement this as well, okay? So then now we get the solution 2 and 7, okay? Let's do just one more example. So let's have, we'll make this 15 here, right? And we'll make this, let's say 20, okay? And let's say our target is 27. Okay, so target is 27. Like I mentioned before, we initialize left and right. Left is at index 0, right is at n minus 1. We ask ourselves, what is 2 plus 20? Oh, it's 22. So we're under the target, right? So this time we increment the left, okay? And straight away, we have 7 plus 20 is equal to 27, all right? So this is a very straightforward algorithm, and we'll be using a while loop to ensure that L and R are iterating, right? So we'll say while, so let's actually initialize those variables. Like I mentioned, we have left is equal to 0, right? And then right is equal to n minus 1. And if we want to be a little picky here, I can just go ahead and say n is equal to nums, length of nums, right? So this is our nums array. Okay. So, like I mentioned, while left is less than right, correct? Because they'll never intersect, overlap, right? Because there's going to be a valid answer. While left is less than right, we say summation is equal to nums of left plus nums of right. All right. First and foremost, if the summation is equal to the target, so Boolean true, we'll just quickly return left and right, but we add 1 to them, right? That's what LeetCode wanted us to do, okay? Okay. So there's that, okay? Otherwise, let's say we overshoot. Let's say L if summation is greater than the target. Because this is in sorted order, so over here, 2 plus 15, right? We have to decrement this guy. We say right is equal to right minus 1, okay? Okay, so in this case here, we're back inside the loop. So while left is less than right, if summation is equal to target, it's not. 2 plus 11 gives us 13. Okay, if summation is greater than target, it is still. 13 is greater than 9. Well, we're back in this case, okay? And let me actually finish the else case. So if we undershoot, we'll just simply say left is equal to left plus 1, right? And in this case, this would clearly come back here, and we get back to here, and we return that solution, okay? So the runtime for this, because it's already given to us sorted, is O of n. The space is O of 1. If this was unsorted and then you sorted it, the runtime would then be n log n, right? Cool. So let's go ahead and navigate to LeetCode and quickly write up this solution, all right? So like I mentioned, we'll say n is equal to len of numbers, all right? And then we have left is equal to 0, and then right is equal to n minus 1, okay? So while left is less than right, we say summation is equal to nums of left plus nums of right. If summation is equal to the target, remember we would return the indices, but each plus 1, right? Okay. If the summation, we overshoot the target, then we decrement right by 1, because since it's sorted, it only makes sense that overshooting means we're too far to the right, so we have to decrement right to more to the left, okay? So the last case, else, if we undershoot, we need to increase the summation, so we say left plus equals 1, and that should be it. Oh, it should be numbers. So numbers there. Let's test that. All right, it passed these initial cases. Let's submit it. Oh, and it passes everything. Great. Like I mentioned, the runtime is O of n, and we're not using any extra space. Thanks for watching. Whatever platform you're on, please consider liking, subscribing, following, commenting, and I'll see you in the next one.